Let us do the fifth problem. 3x plus 8 is equal to 5x plus 2. Here we should see that the variable is to the RHS side, LHS side, and RHS we don't have any variable. So both the sides, let us subtract 5x plus 8 is equal to 5x minus 5x plus 2. Plus 5x and minus 5x gets cancelled, and here 3 minus 5 is nothing but minus 2x plus 8 is equal to 2. Here we should see that only variable is there. So what we should do? We have to subtract 8 from both the sides. So this is minus 2x as it is, plus 8 and minus 8 gets cancelled. This is equal to 2 minus 8. 8 minus 2 is 6, and because the bigger number is having a minus sign, you get minus here. Now what you are going to do is, we should see that this side only x is there. So now minus 2x, divide both the sides with minus 2. So minus 6 by minus 2. Minus and minus gets cancelled, 2 and 2 gets cancelled. Here we are left with x. Minus and minus gets cancelled. 2 3s are 6. So x is equal to 3 is the value you got for the variable. Now let us check. Take LHS side. LHS is 3x plus 8. So we are substituting x is equal to 3. Now 3, instead of x you are going to write 3. 3 3s is how much? 3 3s are 9. 9 plus 8. 9 plus 8 is how much? 17. Now let us check the RHS side. 5x plus 2. 5. What is the value of x? We are substituting x is equal to 3 plus 2. 5 3s are 15 plus 2. 15 plus 2 is 17. So here LHS is equal to RHS. Now the sixth problem is for homework. Sixth bit is for homework. Okay. Now let us do the next problem. Using the principle of equality method, we have seen that addition is changed to subtraction. Subtraction is changed to addition. Multiplication is changed to division, and division is transforming itself as multiplication. So now we are going to use those things and we are going to solve and find out the value of the variable y. Now 2 plus y is equal to 7. Now if I take this plus 2 to the other side, it is going to become, plus becomes minus. So it is minus 2. So the value of y is 7 minus 2 is 5. You got the answer as y is equal to 5. Now you need to check. LHS side 2 plus y. 2 plus y is 5. So what did you get? It is 7. Now what is there in RHS? It is 7. So you know that LHS is equal to RHS. So the value of the variable y, what you got, is correct. Now let us write the second one. It is 2a minus 3 is equal to 5. 2a minus 3 is equal to 5. Now 2a I am going to write as it is. This minus 3, when it goes to the other side, minus will become plus. I will write this like this. This minus is going that side, so it became plus, and 3. 5 plus 3. So 2a is equal to 5 plus 3 is 8. Now a is equal to, multiplication is there. Multiplication, when it is transformed to the other side, it becomes division. 8 by 2. So in 2 table, when will you get 8? 2 4s are. So the value of a is 4. Now you need to check. LHS is 2a minus 3. This is equal to 2 into a. A is 4 minus 3. 2 fours are 8. 8 minus 3 is how much? 5. Now see what is there in RHS. RHS you have 5 already. So both LHS is equal to RHS. So the value what you found is correct. Now let us do the fourth bit. Third bit is for homework. Okay. So now second problem we have finished. Third and fourth bits are for homework because they are also similar to the second one. Now let us do the fifth bit. The question is 14 is equal to 27 minus x. 14 is equal to 27 minus x. Now this minus x, if it is coming this side, what happens to that? It is going to become plus x. Now this 14 plus x and this is equal to 27. Now take this 14 to the other side. X is equal to 27 minus 14. Now subtract. 7 minus 4 is 3. 2 minus 1 is 1. So the value of x is 13. Checking you have to do. For all the problems from now onwards, you should check. LHS you should check, RHS you should check, and tally whether it is equal or not. Next, sixth bit. 5 into x plus 4 is equal to 35. 5 into x plus 4 is equal to 35. What you are going to do here? Multiplication is given. So 5 into x is how much? 5x. 5 fours are 20. This is equal to 35. Now here this plus 20 we are taking it to the other side. What happens to that? Plus will become minus. 20 you have to write as it is. So now 5x is equal to 5. 5 minus 0 is 5. 3 minus 2 is 1. Now x is equal to, here this multiplication when it transforms to the other side it becomes division, divided by 5. So x is equal to cancel. 5 ones are 5, 5 threes are 15. So the value of x is 3. Checking part you are going to do. Substitute the values and check. 7th bit I gave it as homework. 8th bit we are going to do now. 8th bit is 5x minus 3 is equal to 3x minus 5. 3x minus 5. First step what we are going to do? We are going to keep all the variables this side. So 3x it is going to come this side. Plus 3x. When it comes to the other side it becomes minus 3x. This is minus 5. Now 5x, I will take this constant to the other side. Minus 3x as it is. This 3 is going that side. So minus will become plus 3 minus 5. So this is 5 minus 3 is 2x is equal to 3 minus 5 is 5 minus 3 we should do 2 you got, minus is, for the bigger number you have minus sign, so you need to write minus. Now x is equal to, here multiplication is there. Multiplication when it goes to the other side what happens to that? It becomes division. Now x is equal to 2 ones are 2 ones are. So it is minus 1. X is equal to minus 1. Now you need to check. Substitute the value of x is equal to 1 and then tally whether LHS and RHS are equal or not. So 3y plus 4 is equal to 5y plus minus 4. Now the variables you bring it to one side and the constants to the other side. Now 3y I am going to write as it is. This plus 5y, if it comes to the other side, plus becomes minus and this is 5y. This is equal to this plus 4. When it goes to the other side, it becomes minus 4. So it is minus 4 minus 4. This 3y minus 5y is how much? minus 2y is equal to minus 4 minus 4. Minus numbers 2, if you add, it becomes answer. You are going to add, but you are going to write the symbol minus. Now multiplication, when it goes to the other side, it becomes division. Minus and minus gets cancelled. 2 ones are 2 fours are. So the value of y is equal to 4. Check you should do. Complete this check part. 10th question. 3 into x minus 3 is equal to 5 into 2x plus 1. 2x plus 1. So now you multiply. 3 into x is 3x minus 3 3s are 9. 5 into 2 is 10. 5 2s are 10. 10x plus 5 1s are 5. Now you should bring all the variables to one side. 3x. This plus 10x, when it comes to the other side, it becomes minus 10x, which is equal to this 5 as it is. I am going to write minus 9. Minus, when it goes to the other side, it becomes plus. 9 is there, so I wrote 9 there. So this is 10 minus 3 is how much? 7x. But bigger number is having a minus sign, negative sign, so we should write minus 7x. This is equal to 9 plus 5 is 14. So now x is equal to 14. Multiplication, when it goes to the other side, it becomes division, minus 7. So this is equal to 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14. So the answer is x is equal to minus 2. X is equal to minus 2. Now you need to check. For checking, what you will do, you are going to substitute x is equal to minus 2 in LHS and RHS. Okay. So today's class, you are having the first problem 6th bit as homework, second problem 3, 4, 7 bits as homework, and in the second problem check part is left for you. For all the problems, complete the check part. See you tomorrow in the next class.